I had an amazing time learning and making my own pottery, and the instructor was really helpful. The atmosphere was relaxing and the staff were incredibly friendly. They provided clear instructions and guidance throughout the pottery session. I was surprised at how quickly I was able to create a beautiful piece of pottery. It's a great place to unwind, get creative, and take home a unique piece of art. Went there with my GF. The whole process is fun. With guidance and assistance from time to time, anyone can make the clay product they wanted. Excellent. It was just my friend and I and another couple. So we had the full attention of the instructor, which was nice. It was a fun session with great instructors. Our very first time to experience this. Really recommend it for those who want to try out or beginner like me. Having fun making pottery on our own. The staff were nice and helpful to guide each of us. It would be better if the final products can be at least put some color on it. Smiley face emoji. I'm thankful for the boss to be so accommodating to our request. Thank you very much. I recently attended this workshop for the second time, but at a different branch, and it was a pleasant experience. The instructors were patient while guiding us through the pottery making process. They began with a video that provided an overview of the entire process, followed by step-by-step instructions. To ensure everyone was on the same page, the instructors conducted random verbal quizzes, which added an engaging element to the learning experience. The small group size made it easy to follow along and receive personalized attention. The venue was larger than the Paradigm branch, providing a more spacious and comfortable environment for creativity. One notable difference from my first visit was the pottery color policy. This time, there is a nominal fee of Rm10 per piece for painting in color. Despite this change, the workshop remained enjoyable and informative. Overall, I recommend this workshop for anyone interested in pottery. It was so therapeutic for me. Instructors were very friendly and they assist us no matter how many times we did it wrong. It was my first time doing pottery, so I have zero knowledge about it. I tried watching videos but nothing get registered in my brain. However, the first round of making cup was very helpful and I grasped everything I could. The second artwork, I'm able to be independent with a bit of assistance. Plenty of spots if you want to bring a group of friends/family. The artwork will take about 3 to 4 weeks to be completed and you have to pick it up. The artwork normally will be glazed and colored transparent, which is the original color of the clay. If you want extra colors there will be additional charges. Thumbs up emoji. We had so much fun here. A very great experience for pottery, definitely recommended. Thumbs up emoji. The instructors were nice and very helpful. The whole process was understandable and we ended up getting a perfect set made of a plate and bowl with spoon emoji. A special experience that never tried before. The staff is very helpful, teaching us nicely and patiently until we understand how's the pottery machine work, told us what to attention to handle the pottery clay. Additionally, there is helpful staff and a really nice environment. We enjoy our time with good experience. Went with my sister to the workshop. It was really fun. I would recommend to buy the package where you can bring back your artwork. We bought this during the buy one free one promo, so it was worth it. Such a good place to spend your day. The staff very helpful. They always be there to help you. Exceed my time there, but still they assist very well till the end. We had so much fun here, a very great experience for pottery, definitely recommended. The instructors are so nice and helpful. We ended up getting a satisfied self-made cup, bowl and plate. The wheel throwing experience was smoother than I expected thanks to the clear guidance from the instructors. They provided aprons so it's not messy at all. The best part for me was painting the pottery however you like without any time limit with several paint color options. The team also provided a pottery with all the color options after it has been glazed because the painted colors and the glazed colors look different. Looking forward to picking up my artworks.